Wagwan, my lovely taquitos, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank you for your support thus far, and if you're just joining me, hello there. What are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button if free, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment, don't be shy, and most importantly, share with all of your wonderful friends and your good up friends them, because God love when you share. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I must apologize for my absence. However, I am back now and I miss you guys so much, and I know you guys miss these awesome videos. So let's get right into it. Today I'll be making some chicken parmesan, and as usual the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. So without further ado, let's begin. And that is all she wrote, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, don't be shy, share with all your wonderful friends, and most importantly, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.